To my channel. Today I'm planning to explain the Pyspark explode function. So let's go into the Pyspark explode function, how we can use that explode function, what it will do. So explode function, it will useful for the manipulating nested data like arrays, maps. So here input is an array or a map. So let's take a look into the an example based on list elements. So if my column present with list of values, so how we need to split the data list. So here I'm taking sample data with the list of tuples. I'm creating the data frame. So it is executed and I'm showing this data for you guys. So it has Hari, it has fruits. Hari has fruits, apple and bananas. We are listing in a list element. So Guru also has same. Yeah, it has Guru has fruits, orange and grapes. So I'm for example, if you want to get the only fruits a column, so we will do select dot fruits. Select fruits is the column name. So we are getting only fruits column. So like SQL statements only. Yeah. So this is the input for our data. This is the input for our explode function. So our expected output should be like this: Hari apples, Hari bananas. So we have with Hari has two bananas and apples, right? Two fruits. So it should create two record. If, for example, Hari has three fruits, so it has to create three records like that. So let me go down. So here we are importing the explode function from Pyspark SQL functions. I'm exporting the explode function, importing the explode function. So explode df, this is another data frame. I'm creating this data frame df, and after that I'm in this data frame I'm creating another column called fruit, and I'm applying explode function on this fruits column in df. So so after that I'm calling an action called show, so it will show the result. So I just ran that cell. So for running that code, any cell, you need to enter shift enter. So it will showing like this. So let me sorry. So it is hurry. Fruits is a input. Fruits and bananas. Fruits is a input list. Apples and bananas in the list. So first is a fruit is apple and next is banana. So it is created two records. Same like Guru also we have two fruits in the fruits list, right? So it is created two entries, two records. So that's it. And next we can apply this explode function for the map also. What map will has key value. So sample, for example, sample map as apples is my key and value is apples count. What Alice as how many apples count. So our guru has how many oranges. So in that scenarios we will use map one. So I'm taking the sample data list of tuples only. Inside the tuple I'm taking the map data type data. So here I'm taking sample data and I'm creating data frame spark dot create data frame. This is the method I'm calling. This is my data. this data. For this data, I'm creating data frame, and names I'm mentioning name and fruit counts. Let me show the, let me run the pf dot show. It is showing that. So it is not clearly visible, right? Everything. So let me use truncate equal to false. So it will show all the data, fruit counts data. It's clearly showing right now. Yeah, previously this was showing like some hyphen, 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 like that. So after that, so this is our data frame. In this data frame for fruit counts column, we have a like this key value. This is a map one. Yeah. Okay, here I am exploding the fruit counts column. So how we can use the explode df1. This is a variable I am storing. Exploded one I am storing in the exploded df1. So my input data frame is df, and I'm selecting name and explode fruit counts. It will show the, so let me execute this one. So it's a key value, right? Uh, so Alice apples count is 1, and Alice bananas count is 2, Guru orange count is 1, and Guru grapes count is 2. So like this explode function will work. Um, so this behavior mainly used for the nested data. So if you have most amount of data in JSON format and if the stack uh, list map type different type, so we will use this explode function and for do this term transformation after exploding this data. Thank you everyone. That's all for today. Thank you very much.